Welcome to tvfutures.com. It's Thursday, November 8th. I'm Remy Hoki for your Commodities Recap. NYMEX crude oil futures ended down for the second straight session, letting go of gains earlier in the day. December crude ended down by 91 cents to close at $95.46 a barrel. And in other petroleum products, December RBOB gasoline fell to end at $2.438 a gallon, and December heating oil ended down to close at $2.6052 a gallon. Meanwhile, December natural gas added 9.6 cents to close at $7.72 per million BTU. Earlier today, the EIA reported that natural gas inventories in the U.S. rose by 36 billion cubic feet in the latest week. In the metals complex, COMEX gold futures continue to climb into record territory. The benchmark gold contract gained $4 to close at a record $837.50 an ounce. Not surprisingly, the precious metal was supported by the weakening dollar, especially following Bernanke's comments earlier today. By session end, gold had pared back from an intraday high of $847.50 an ounce. In other metals, December silver added 19 cents to close at $15.515 an ounce. December copper fell 5.5 cents to close at $3.20 a pound. This afternoon, we're joined by Justin Lewis from KIS Futures. He'll recap today's action in commodities.
Good afternoon, Remy. This morning's EIA energy report in the natural gas came out at a 36 BCF field, which we kind of saw reflected in the market this morning when it was quite a bit lower, well, 20 cents lower at one point. And we're really seeing a late rally here. It's up about 11 cents as we speak. Kind of surprised with the crude oil being down about $1 right now, and that crude oil market, 95.51 right now in the December, it really looks like it could go to $100 a barrel, just simply because the market, the momentum, and all the media attention that it's getting to go to $100. So it's probably like a self-fulfilling prophecy, and it looks like it's going to go there. I'm not saying it can't go back to $90, but in a month or two, it looks like it could go there, or maybe even a little bit higher, maybe 105, 110 level. It doesn't appear that it's going to stop the economy too much. I mean, everybody's still driving, and demand seems to still be increasing for the product. Looking over at the stock market today, we're down a little over 200 points. Basically, this big move is the problems everybody's seeing in the credit market. Such a widespread deal, and nobody really knows how bad it is. And as these numbers coming out are bad, it looks like it could be worse for another quarter or two. And that's when we'll really know. So this stock market may be in trouble for a while. Looking at some of the grains, this morning's sales report in the wheat was the lowest it's been all year. A really disappointing number at 14,000. They're looking for somewhere around 450 average, and so that was quite a bit less than we saw the wheat sell off, about 20 to 25 cents in the front, and a little bit less in the back months. Cattle kind of turned around today. Live cattle are up 30 to 50. After being in this trading range for a while, it looks like they may stay here. Feeders have sold off $10 from their highs over the past month, and they had a little bit of rally today. Corn market and soybean markets were both good throughout the day. Corn closed up about 5 cents, and soybeans up 2 to 3. Looking at some of the metals, gold and silver, they've both been on a strong rally, rallying significantly over the past few weeks, basically based on the U.S. dollar. Being down so much. I've heard a lot of talk about people actually beginning to buy the dollar because they say the best time to buy it is when nobody else wants it. Eventually, those people will begin to want it, and then push the thing back up a little bit. Maybe not significantly, maybe back to that 77, 78 level. But with that, everything was kind of a little bit volatile today, as always, or has been the last 2 weeks. And we look forward for another volatile day tomorrow. Back to you, Remy.
That was Justin Lewis from KIS Futures with his commodities commentary. I'm Remy Hoki. Join us later this afternoon for PM Exchange right here on tvfutures.com.